Stop saying very beautiful again and again. Use these smart words instead. 1. Gorgeous, meaning extremely beautiful. Example, she looked gorgeous in that dress. 2. Stunning, meaning so beautiful it surprises you. Example, the view from the mountain is stunning. 3. Breathtaking, meaning so beautiful that it takes your breath away. Example, the sunset at the beach was breathtaking. 4. Lovely, pleasant and charming in appearance. Example, you have a lovely smile. 5. Exquisite, meaning extremely delicate and beautiful. Example, what an exquisite piece of art. 6. Radiant, meaning shining and glowing with beauty. Example, she looked radiant on her wedding. 7. Elegant, meaning graceful and stylishly beautiful. Example, she has an elegant personality. 8. Charming, meaning attractive in a pleasant way. Example, he's a charming young man. 9. Alluring, meaning powerfully and mysteriously attractive. Example, she gave him an alluring smile. 10. Mesmerizing, meaning so beautiful you can't stop looking. Example, her eyes are mesmerizing.